So these are the 4 products I'll be using. This one is the Salon Perfect Dip Brow. I got this from Walmart, and I got this from Walmart too, the L'Oreal Paris Deep Brunette. These are both whatchamacallit, dip brows, brow dips, whatever you want to call it. This is the L'Oreal Paris True Match Warm Concealer. I use this for under my brow, sometimes above, but not really because the foundation covers it. And then this I got from Walmart as well because it comes with the little container and then the brush. So yeah, these actually last like a long time, the ones from Walmart. I've had mine since like prom, like 2016, and I still have it, but I got new ones because I didn't feel like re-moisturizing it a little DIY way. But yeah, these are the 4 products I'm gonna use. I don't know if y'all believe me or not, but this is the one I had since 2016. I like re-moisturized it or made it new again, but then I bought this one. I only had this for like 2 months, but yeah, this one, it still works. Like I use it if I don't want my brows to be too dark and I want like a light sketch, I'll use this one because like it still works. It's just not as pigmented, but it still does a good job. So I would recommend the Salon Perfect from Walmart.
Okay. Let me see.
So I didn't film me darkening my brows because it was the same thing I did at the beginning of the video. I just went darker and darker, but it took me a little bit too long to do that, and every single video I took looked the same, but that's what I did. I didn't take my eyebrow brush, like I didn't take this and go up at all. I just used the spoolie end and I went up, and for the concealer that was under here, I wiped it like I did on this side, and I just brought it up like this to kind of make it fade. And I also had the excess concealer, or the extra concealer, I took it and I went over the top so it wouldn't be too bright at the top, because I'm just gonna do my makeup after I'm done filming this, and I'm gonna put foundation right there, so it's gonna end up covering up the concealer anyway.